Hello, my name is Aimee-Beth and we are here at RHS Garden Harlow Carr. At this time of the year in the autumn, there's a lot of colors that you get to see in a lot of the trees and herbaceous plants as well. There's oranges and reds and pinks, and they all stand out in different ways all over the place. And some of our trees are absolutely spectacular. One of the most standout ones that we have is our Betula lentas that you see just behind us, which is one of the birch trees. Betula lentas come from the east coast of North America, where they're one of the native understory trees there, where they add a lot of color in the autumn months. It turns this glorious golden yellow color, where it just leaves this carpet of yellow leaves underneath it. And as soon as one of the coldest temperatures comes, they just drop all their leaves immediately. These trees behind me have been here at Harlow Carr for a little while. They don't get as big as other trees that we have here. The native oaks tend to tower over them. So these trees here light up the woodlands just right here in this central area, and it's pretty glorious.